Have you ever encountered broken permissions in SharePoint that disrupt workflows? Today, I'll show you how to fix them effortlessly. Understand what causes permissions inheritance to break and learn to safely fix these issues without disrupting workflows. Permissions inheritance means a document automatically inherits access. When it breaks, conflicts arise due to unique permissions. Common causes include manual inheritance break for customization or migrating content, often triggering improper workflows. User frustration, approval processes halted, and security risks emerge when permissions break, affecting team access. Step 1. Assess the damage. Navigate to the affected site, library, or folder to check inheritance status. Use PowerShell to quickly generate a permissions report to document unique permissions. Step 2. Communicate with stakeholders. Inform users and stakeholders about potential impacts before making changes. Use a temporary maintenance message in SharePoint to notify users during adjustments. Step 3. Reinstate permissions inheritance. Restore inheritance by navigating to Permissions settings and clicking Inherit Permissions. Optionally, adjust specific permissions using Manage Access, testing on small groups to avoid disruptions. Step 4. Test workflows post-fix. Run existing workflows to ensure they're functioning properly. Check triggers and user permissions if workflows remain broken using Power Automate for error validation. Step 5. Audit permissions, regularly using SharePoint Admin Center or PowerShell for recurring checks. Use permission groups, document custom permissions, and train users on SharePoint management. For more advanced insights, scan the QR code at the end of the video or click the link in the description. Please like and subscribe to support our channel, and feel free to leave questions in the comment section.
Huh?